Am I the asshole for getting my boyfriend arrested? I'll just get straight to it. I'm a college student and this is my last semester until medical school. I've never been able to get a loan, so I've worked 5.5 years to get this degree because I have to pay out of pocket, so it takes way longer. I've worked 2, sometimes 3 jobs at a time and barely have a social life. For this upcoming semester, I reached my goal for tuition, so I quit one of my jobs so I could relax a bit. I was a server/bartender at 2 bars and I had an office job, so I always have cash hidden in my apartment, in my closet, in a box. And then a week or 2 before the semester starts, I'll deposit it so that I can pay my tuition. So my boyfriend sometimes comes over to my apartment and stays even when I'm not there. So since I've been saving for this semester, he's the only one who's been over, and I've never told him about the box, but he knows that I have to pay for school. Well, yesterday night when I got home from work, I went to put the money in the box because I was going to deposit it today, but now it's gone. I freaked out and tore up my whole apartment thinking I had put it somewhere else, knowing that I didn't. I called my boyfriend like crazy, but got no answer. I didn't sleep last night. I was panicking. Then this morning, he finally calls me back and I'm yelling at him about my money and he's acting all confused and like I'm crazy. He comes over and I'm still pissed off. And after a while, he finally admits that he took it. He said that he borrowed it, but he'll pay me back. I went into a rage and called the police and reported a theft because that is exactly what he did. So the police came and arrested him. It's been a few hours now, and I guess he got his phone call because his family has been blowing up my phone. His mother has said some really hurtful and racist things to me. They've been harassing me for the past 6 hours now, and I'm so stressed out. I hate that now I'm feeling bad that I called the cops on him, but he stole my money and I was saving for months. His brother called me and he was really respectful and said that he'll help him pay me back. Then he said that I should come with him to the police station and drop the charges. But I really don't believe that he's going to be able to help pay me back. I mean, I could do that and never get my money back. I just don't know what to do at this point, and I hate that I'm contemplating even doing this in the first place. I mean, I have no reason to feel bad about doing this, right?